Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to take a look at this Fordranger that was abandoned on this property. It's full of old batteries. Looks like it's sinking into the ground. Let's see if I can see a tag. Can't see on that one. I'm going to go ahead and get this over next to the barn and we're going to take a better look at it. Just wanted to show you guys where it's been sitting for who knows how long. 2012 on that tag. So what's that? 10, 11, 12, 13 years at least. Alright, I'll go ahead and get this moved over to the barn and we'll take a closer look at it. Alright, well I was able to pull it with my truck like this far. It's too hard to try to do this by myself, so I'm going to try to just jump it. I know nothing about this thing. It was left out here. Let's go ahead and pop the hood, put a jump pack on it and see what it does. I haven't even looked under the hood yet. I think it might already be popped. Yeah, it looks like there definitely was a mouse nest in here, but it looks complete. Let's go ahead and I'll use my head to hold this up. Well, that's not the right prop, but I think it'll work. Hold on a second. All right, let's take a look at this. It's obviously a Fordranger. Some kind of mouse nest in there. Doesn't look like any of the wires are chewed up. It's got a battery from 422, so maybe this thing hasn't been sitting as long as we thought. Let's see what she does with a jump. So on my wife's grandfather's property that passed away, and I think this was her uncle's, and he left it out here for whatever reason. Let's see if we get any lights on in here. Nothing. Wonder why my battery jumper's doing that. Make sure this key's off, key's out. I think if you hold this down, it gives it more power. All right, let's see what it does now. CD player's making some kind of noise. Huh. Maybe it's just really dead. Just our connections. Oh, that's broken, that tumbler. Steering wheel's all sticky. Yeah, this isn't... I mean, that's positive and that's negative. I don't know why it's being so weird about it. It must be trying to pull power immediately. I think these jump packs, if they try to pull power, will be weird like that. Let's see. Okay, shut that off. Oh, that's loose. And that's loose. That might be our problem. Let's see if that does anything. Let me go get a wrench and I'm going to tighten up these battery terminals. All right, let's try this again. I don't think we're getting enough juice off that jump pack. The heck? Well, it turns over. I mean, that's a good sign. All right, let's see. We might have to try to jump this thing. You know what that means? This little red light that comes on. Oh, this thing's almost dead. Let's see what it's gonna do now. Neutral, clutch in. That's better. Yeah, I don't know if there's a fuel issue or what's going on with this thing. This die? No. All right, well, I think that's where we're gonna end this today. It's raining and I'm gonna have to figure some other things out, but I wonder if it's getting fuel. I don't know. There's a few things I need to figure out. It doesn't seem like it's getting fuel. It's not even trying to fire. So, all right, well, thanks for watching.